Milo was a little panda with a big problem. He sneezed all the time. Every time he sniffed a flower, ah, coo. Every time he rolled in the grass, ahoo. Even when he tried to nap, ahoo. The other animals laughed kindly. Maybe you're allergic to being a panda, joked the monkey. Milo felt sad. What if I never stop sneezing? One day, a butterfly landed on his nose. Milo tried to hold it in, but the sneeze was so strong, it blew the butterfly up into the sky, and it glided safely back down, giggling. You made me fly like a kite, it said. That was awesome, Milo blinked. Really, totally, said the butterfly. Your sneeze is your superpower. From that day on, Milo became the forest's official butterfly launcher, and he never felt bad about sneezing again.